Welcome to Fast Fix. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove profile picture on Facebook. So when you open your Facebook app, tap on the profile picture below your home icon. You can see here the profile picture on the circle. Just tap this one. You can see the option add frame, select profile picture, import from Instagram, see profile picture. Just tap this one, see profile picture right here. And right here, you can actually swipe it to the left and you can see all the profile picture that you use on this one. And you can also delete some profile picture right here. Tap and hold this picture and you can see the options, which is delete photo. So you just tap on this and you can now remove this profile picture right here. You can also do that in all of these pictures. You just swipe until you find some photos that you want to delete. And also you might be consider choosing avatar on your profile picture, right? Also on my Facebook account. So that's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.